Welcome to PMN Online. Today I am going to show you exactly how to exit TradingView full screen. Let's dive right into it. Have you ever been so absorbed in analyzing a chart on TradingView, taking note of every candlestick and indicator, only to find it tricky to return to your regular view? Well, you're not alone, and that's exactly what we are tackling today here at PMN Online. We're going to make your TradingView experience smoother and more efficient. When you're deep into your analysis, full screen mode is perfect. It provides a wide, uninterrupted view of your charts and data, allowing you to catch every detail in the patterns and trends that might pass unnoticed in a smaller view. However, there comes a time when you need to switch back. Maybe you want to compare charts side by side, check notifications, or jot down some notes. Thankfully, the solution is incredibly straightforward and requires just one step. How to exit full screen mode? Simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. That's right, just a gentle tap on the Escape key, which is usually located at the top left corner of your keyboard, will instantly take you out of full screen mode. This action will shrink your window back to its standard size, letting you access all the other functionalities of the platform seamlessly. This ability to quickly toggle between full and regular screen modes can significantly enhance your workflow. It makes it easier to navigate between different tools and information on TradingView, which is crucial for efficient trading. By spending less time on technical adjustments, you can focus more on making informed decisions based on the data right in front of you. Quick tips for different devices. If you're using a laptop or keyboard without a dedicated escape key, check if there's an alternative hotkey specific to your device. Touchscreen devices might use swipe gestures or on-screen buttons, so keep that in mind. Understanding your device's capabilities can make a big difference. And there you have it. With just a single key press, you're back to business, efficiently managing your display and keeping your focus where it matters most. This straightforward method ensures a seamless and frustration-free experience on TradingView, an essential tool for anyone serious about trading. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to exit TradingView full screen. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.